Hey y'all, it is about 11:15 at night and everybody in the house is asleep, but I'm up on the computer doing crafts. I'm making some holiday coasters. I did one so far, well, did two so far, and I have a set of four, but I might not even do the last two right now. And yeah, so these are the coasters. I think I showed y'all a few videos back that I said I was gonna do. I finally got to actually doing them, and I'm gonna do a how-to video soon. So y'all look out for that. Right now, I'm just showing y'all what I'm doing. And if you follow me on Instagram, I have already posted a picture of this one, and it came out really cute. I'm definitely gonna make a few of these. I want to make some for my grandma too for Christmas. And this is the other one. This one's hot, so I'm not going to touch that one. I just um, had the iron on that, so I'm waiting for this to cool off so I can take the backing off. So yeah, it's still hot. So yeah, this is what I'm doing at 11:15 at night. But you know, I like to craft when it's really, really quiet. And this is like really um, therapeutic for me right now after a long day at work and the house is quiet, everybody's asleep. So this is what I like to do. I'm applying more heat to this coaster because I kind of lifted it a little bit and look, it doesn't look like all the ink transferred to the coaster. So adding some more heat to it. This one I'm doing the second one is a little tricky because the lettering is kind of faded. It's not showing its vibrant colors. So I'm gonna add some more heat until it all transfers. Okay, there it is. It's a little bit off a little bit, but hey, it's my first time, y'all, so yeah, some of the letters, some of the lettering, like right there, kind of messed up, but I'm trying to make this a set. So I have this, and then I got some quotes, and I'm probably going to do another picture on the third one and another quote on the fourth one. Or maybe a picture plus a quote if I can add it in. So yeah, not bad for my first time.